This is the student center in Hofstra, Uniondale. Monitor, HPS. All right, here we go. Listen to the motor. The rear side opens up. Look at that. It's just a big tiara button. Okay, close the door. Hopefully I can actually get back down to 1. We're good. Just doesn't light up. Kept pretty basic, but nice. I like it a lot better. Ooh, it's got that cool lantern that I really like. Again, monitor HPS. Oh. There you go.
Never mind.
I might be something else. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, it's an armor. You're welcome. You can see on the door track it says armor. Original panels used to be there. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.